I never thought I'd be sitting alone, drowning in the guilt of my own choices, wondering if the person I loved most could ever look at me the same again. That moment was one of the darkest of my life. But here's the truth I want to share with you today. Healing is possible, even after the deepest betrayal. If you're here because you're struggling to fix a relationship after cheating, you're not alone, and there is hope. Infidelity can feel like the end of everything you've built with someone you love. The pain, the anger, the guilt, it can be overwhelming. I know because I've been there. And I want to start by saying this. This video isn't about justifying mistakes. It's about taking responsibility, rebuilding trust, and creating a path toward healing. Whether you're the one who cheated or the one who was hurt, the fact that you're here right now means you care enough to try. And that's the first step. So let's talk about how to begin. The first step in fixing a relationship after cheating is facing the truth, no matter how painful it is. If you cheated, you have to own up to your actions. This isn't the time for excuses or blaming your partner. Be honest, even if it hurts. For the person who's been betrayed, it's okay to feel angry, sad, or even lost. Your feelings are valid. It's important to express them in a way that allows for open communication. Healing starts when both people are willing to have those uncomfortable but necessary conversations. Healing begins the moment you stop hiding and start being brutally honest with your partner and yourself. Once the truth is out, the next step is rebuilding trust. And let me tell you, trust isn't rebuilt with grand gestures. It's rebuilt in the small, consistent actions you take every single day. Be transparent. If your partner has questions, answer them honestly. If they need reassurance, give it to them. It's not about controlling your life. It's about showing them that you're committed to earning their trust back. And if you're the betrayed partner, know that it's okay to take time to heal. Trust is fragile, and rebuilding it requires patience from both of you. Trust isn't rebuilt in words. It's rebuilt in actions that prove you're serious about change. Forgiveness is one of the hardest parts of this journey. And here's the thing, it's not something that happens overnight. Forgiveness is a process, and it's as much for you as it is for your partner. Therapy can be a powerful tool in this process. Whether it's individual counseling or couples therapy, having a safe space to process your emotions can make all the difference. And don't forget to focus on reconnecting. Go back to what brought you together in the first place. Spend quality time together. Try new activities and slowly rebuild the intimacy you've lost. Forgiveness isn't about forgetting. It's about choosing to move forward with love and understanding. The final step is moving forward. Your past doesn't have to define your future. If both of you are committed to growing and learning from this experience, your relationship can come out stronger than ever. Celebrate the progress you've made, no matter how small. Every step forward is a victory. And remember, it's okay to stumble along the way. Healing isn't a straight line, it's a journey. Your past doesn't have to be your future. Healing is a choice you make together, one day at a time. Let me leave you with this. No matter how broken things feel right now, healing is possible. It won't be easy, and it won't happen overnight, but love is always worth fighting for. If this video spoke to you, I'd love to hear your story or answer your questions. So, what do you think? Are your needs being met in your relationship? Are you meeting your partners? Remember, you're not alone, and healing is always within reach. Let's start a conversation in the comments below. And if this video resonated with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need to hear this. Together, let's build a community dedicated to hope, growth, and second chances. Click any of these videos, and I'll see you there. This is SEO Love Strife. Let's fight for love, one step at a time.